Hello friends. As you know, quinoa is power-packed healthy grain, rich in protein, fiber, and nutrients. But if you don't like its taste or smell, here I am to help you with amazing recipe to pair with rice in instant pot and stovetop ways. Enjoy this combo with curries, dals, and salads, etc. So if you wonder what's the difference eating separately versus together, here you go. Usually rice being tasty and common food, it's everybody's favorite. We opt for rice more and lean rarely towards healthy foods unless needed. But this way it's going to enhance the quinoa flavor, satisfies rice cravings, and will enjoy quinoa willingly. It's a satisfied taste buds and willingness which does the trick to make a habit. And so on, quinoa will be part of your diet easily. Gradually you can increase quinoa portion and reduce rice to get full benefits. Let's get started. In a bowl, add quarter cup quinoa and quarter cup rice. I took same ratio of each grains, quarter cup each. Wash the grains well. You can use a mesh strainer to drain, as quinoa is very tiny in size. Now transfer to the same bowl. It's time to add water. Water ratio is the key to get non-mushy texture. If you add more water, it gets mushy and loses flavor. So quinoa needs 1:1 water. Rice needs 1:2 water. Quarter cup for quinoa and half a cup for rice. Thus add 3/4 cup water in total. I like adding quarter teaspoon cumin seeds and pinch of salt. It's optional. Let's see the instant pot way. Add 1 cup of water in instant pot. Place the rack and insert the grains bowl. Close the lid to sealing. Pressure cook high for 5 minutes. No need of keep warm. After timer is done, wait for natural pressure release. As you see, quinoa rice combo gets cooked perfect. Mix the grains from top to bottom and cover with lid. If you want to save time with multiple dishes, stack 2 bowls and cook at one go. This is with rice bowl at the bottom and quinoa rice combo bowl on top. Use the same settings. Pressure cook high for 5 minutes with natural pressure release. As you see, it's so handy and time saver. Both dishes get cooked well at the same time. Let's see the stovetop way. So stovetop needs little extra water. 1:1 for quinoa, 1:2 for rice, and quarter cup extra water. So total 1 cup. First boil 1 cup of water in a bowl. Add pinch of salt and quarter teaspoon cumin seeds. It's optional. Once water boils, add washed grains. Cover with lid. Cook on high flame until water evaporates. Mix 1 to 2 times in the middle, then switch to slow flame for 5 minutes. After resting 5 minutes, mix the grains from top to bottom. You'll get perfect textured quinoa and rice combo. By any chance, if you feel quinoa is still undercooked, add little water and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Enjoy with curries, salads, yogurt, etc. Hope you like my tips and ideas. See you again with many more amazing healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.